Welcome to my channel about narcissistic abuse and healing. Today we will be discussing whether or not you should expose the narcissist. When entangled in a relationship with a narcissist, the urge to expose their true nature can be very strong. After enduring manipulation, deceit, and abuse, revealing the narcissist's behavior might feel like the only way to regain control and seek justice. However, before taking this step, it is crucial to weigh the potential consequences and prioritize your safety above all else. Safety first. Your safety is paramount. If you have the opportunity to quietly or secretly walk away from a toxic relationship, this is often the safest and most effective option. Just end contact and never go back. Narcissists thrive on control and attention, and a quiet departure denies them the satisfaction of a traumatic confrontation. Exposing the narcissist as a last resort. If you find yourself trapped in an abusive situation and there does not seem any way out, exposing the narcissist may become necessary as a last resort. This should only be considered when you are unable to get rid of the abuser in any other way. Before you take this step, it is better to ensure that you have a safe place to go and can take care of yourself. Anticipate the consequences that can result and prepare yourself beforehand. You must face your fears and be ready to handle the worst. Gathering evidence. When considering exposing a narcissist, one of the most important steps is to collect solid evidence of their abusive behavior. This should include recordings of conversations, screenshot of messages, photos of physical damage, or detailed logs of incidents. The more evidence you have, the stronger your case will be when you approach authorities or seek legal protection. Always collect evidence. This is a must in abusive relationships. Involve the authorities. Once you have decided to expose the narcissist, it is essential to involve the appropriate authorities. Present your evidence clearly and explain the situation in detail. This step is crucial for your protection and it creates a formal record of the abuse and can lead to protective measures such as restraining order or formal investigations. In short, exposing a narcissist is a serious decision that requires careful consideration. While it can be an effective way to regain control and protect yourself, it should only be used as a last resort. The goal is your protection and freedom, not taking revenge from the narcissist. Always put your safety first, gather sufficient evidence, and consult with authorities if necessary. Remember, if you can lead the relationship quietly and safely, this is often the best course of action. For more detailed guidance on how to collect evidence and safely expose the narcissist, please watch my video linked in the description. Thank you for watching.